Come take a look at this 2018 Nissan Titan 4x2 Crew Cab SL. This vehicle has just under 93,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This vehicle boasts a 5.6-liter 8-cylinder engine, and has a 7-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with dual-zone climate control, front heated seats, tinted windows, climate control, air conditioning. Call us or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.